Meaning of hellebore.
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 Hellebore. Hellebore is a toxic perennial plant genus belonging to the buttercup family, native to Europe and Asia. The name hellebore is derived from the Greek words elein, which means to injure, and bora, which means food, since the plant is poisonous if ingested. It has been used in traditional medicine for various purposes, including treating respiratory diseases, nervous disorders, and arthritis. However, due to its toxicity, it should only be used under the guidance of a medical professional. Hellebore is also cultivated as an ornamental plant due to its attractive flowers.